Good morning to all of you. Today's online class is Social Science, the universe. We are continuing with the next topic in the series, the universe. Some facts about the sun and the planets. That means the size of the sun, other planets, the distance between the sun and the planets, the time each planet takes for its own rotation and revolution around the sun, etc. The particular facts about the planets and the sun we are taking in this episode. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. The sun is a star. It is medium size. It is yellowish or white in color. Sun is not the biggest star. There are stars even bigger than the sun. But sun is very close to the earth. Sun is the only star we can see from earth during daytime. So we see it as bright and larger. These are the facts about the sun. The diameter of the sun is around 1.4 million kilometers. That means it can contain 1.4 million Earths inside the sun. You can imagine how much huge the sun will be then. Volume of the sun is 1.3 million times of the earth. Gravity of the sun is 28 times the gravity of the earth. Distance from the earth is 150 million kilometers. The temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius and 75% is hydrogen, 25% helium and 50 other elements. Most everyone know about Earth. It is the blue planet, only planet containing water and life. 3/4 of Earth's surface is water. It takes 24 hours for one rotation and it takes 1 year for one revolution around the sun. It has one moon as its own satellite. The distance from the sun is 150 million kilometers and the diameter of the earth is around 12,000 kilometers. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest planet to the sun. It is the hottest also. 50 days for one rotation and 88 days for one revolution around the sun. It has no satellite of its own. Venus is the brightest planet and it rotates from east to west. One more planet is there, rotates from east to west, that is Uranus. All other planets rotates from west to east. 343 days for one rotation, and 225 days for one revolution. Revolution means revolving around the sun. Mars is called as the red star and it is closest to the earth. 227 million kilometers away from the sun. It takes 2 years for one revolution and it has 2 satellites of its own. It takes 24 hours and 37 minutes for one rotation. Its diameter is 1,42,700 kilometers. Diameter is 1,42,000 kilometers. It takes 12 years for one complete rotation, one complete revolution around the sun, and its own rotation time is 9 hours 54 minutes. It has the largest number of satellites of its own, 29 numbers. Saturn is the planet having beautiful shape due to its rings. It has 3 rings around the equator. It gives a beautiful shape to the planet Saturn, same like the diameter of Earth, around 12,000 kilometers. Takes 29.5 years for one revolution, 10 hours 14 minutes for one rotation, and has 18 satellites along with 3 rings. Uranus is green in color, rotates from east to west, and it also has rings. 84 years takes for one revolution, 10 hours 49 minutes for one rotation, and has 15 satellites plus rings. 51,000 is the diameter. 51,120 kilometers is the diameter. 2,800 million kilometers. Neptune is the 8th planet at a distance 4,500 million kilometers from the Sun's 8 satellites of its own. 165 years takes for one revolution, and 15 hours 40 minutes takes for one rotation. Pluto is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is not treated as a planet nowadays because its orbit is not in the plane of the orbit of solar system. So it is removed from the planets from the solar system. We will see some facts about the moon. The diameter of the moon is 3,476 kilometers. 3,476 kilometers. Volume is 1/49th volume of the Earth. Distance from the Earth is 3,84,000 kilometers. 3,84,000 kilometers distance from the Earth. There is no water and no air on the moon's surface. It is wrinkled surface. Gravity is 1/6 of the gravity of the Earth. These are important facts about the planets and the Sun and Moon. We will continue with another topic in the coming episode. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.